Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, computer software trading probability based trading alert, technical analysis, and company philosophy, as I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere. As that's right, old Vincenzo's brought back truth and most importantly, integrity back into the trading market. Now that the market is opened for a couple of hours, you can see the little rising channel that we were in, showing you how this could be a bearish continuation pattern, right? It came right up to the 200-day moving average in the hour time frame, and now we're at that critical support level of that uptrending red line. We'll make that a little bit bigger right here. You can see that the uptrending on this bearish continuation pattern, right? And usually these break down, and you can see now we're coming back on this uptrending support. We're going to get that out of the way, and if we zoom in now to the 15-minute time frame, you can see we're trying to break down out of that. And then your major support level would be right here. It's way over there. Would be right here on this blue fib circle. Again, it's slightly uptrending, right? It's slightly uptrending now. It's at 30,013 and 78 cents. And if we continue to break down out of this uptrending rising channel right there in red, the uptrending support right there, which it looks like we're breaking down out of that right now. We're going to come right to that 30,000 like we are. Right? And if we can't get back in there to shoot back up, we're going to come down into here. And then if we can't hold that, we're going to fall quickly from this $30,013 all the way down back to maybe a double bottom low, all the way down here that we were talking about earlier, right? We need to make this a little bit smaller. All the way down here. We'll move this up here for short-term purposes at 25,326 and 21 cents. So to wrap up Bitcoin, your underneath short-term support is 30,013 and 78 cents. The blue fib circle, and to get bullish again, you need to break back above into this rising channel, and that's at 30,446.95. And if you break the 30,000 level, you're more than likely just going to flash kind of flush all the way down to that double bottom 25,326 over a day or two, or maybe even overnight. So that's what you need to watch out for there. Dogecoin, nobody seems to care anymore. XRP, you can see we're in the similar pattern as we are in Bitcoin, as most of these coins are all following the same kind of pattern right now, right? And you can see this one right here is much smaller looking than Bitcoin, but it's exactly the same thing. And this is working its way through the orange support zone. And the orange support zone is the last line of defense, aka get my shit together zone to the shit house. And we bounced off the lower support and we got rejected off the upper resistance. And now we're threatening to break down by getting squished by the 50-day moving average in red right there. And if we can't hold this as we zoom into the 15-minute time frame, if we can't hold this uptrending support and the 200-day moving average right below it, just like Bitcoin, we're going to trade all the way down towards the bottom part of the shit or bottom part of the last line of defense, all the way down here between the 33 and 36 cent range, right? And that's what you would have to watch out for because that's a pretty big fall, just like Bitcoin. This should be a 16 to 22.13% fall, right? And that's the way the rest of the market's looking too. All of these coins are in the same sort of formation. We look at XLM, we're starting to get rejected kind of in no man's land in between the upper resistance at 16-cent blue Fib circle and the lower support at 7.5 cents, and then five and a half, it's about 5 cents, right there, 5.5 cents, just below 6 cents. And we're in no man's land right now. And if we can't hold that 200-day in XLM, we're going to also pull a quick double bottom here to maybe try to get some bullish action after, or it's just going to kind of form that dinosaur look and then fall through, right? So that's what we're looking out for there. And that's what it's looking like in the rest of the market, as the rest of the market is trending south uh, early in this trading week that I've dubbed the biggest week in the cryptocurrency's life. As anybody in Zcash, this could be a phenomenal short here. If you're noticing, this is a big rising channel off a crash, and currently it's up on itself from its low. It was 64% ish up, and this big rising channel that it's been in for the last couple of days with crashing volume and rising price hitting into the thick of all the moving averages into the 3 hour time frame. As soon as this breaks out sideways, if it does, it's going to come down here really quick, and that could be a great short because this is a long fall from here. If it did happen, indeed, around now, it's a 30% short you could possibly make here. As we zoom into the 15-minute time frame, you can see it's been threatening to break down out of this down here, and it pumped, then here, and then it pumped, and now it's back on it again. If you can slip this in the 200-day, that could be a good 30% short, right? So that's what we're looking at right now. We're going to keep it updated on the market, see if Bitcoin can't bounce in this area because this is a key area. You can see it's trying a lackluster bounce, but I've noticed something today as I took notice as Bitcoin came online. This is some of the worst volume I've ever seen on an open of futures coming into the market. Look at this. I mean, look at that. This is some of the worst. The volume is gone. This is very bearish for crypto. Crypto Insider World Vincenzo gives you another warning that a massive flush and a liquidation is coming, and the likes of Luna will be more common than the oddball out. Luna just happens to be a once in a lifetime kind of flush. Nope, you're going to start seeing more of that Luna type flushes coming up on the next leg down in this bear market as it gets deeper, more brutal and painful. Peace and love. Peace and love.